Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny and today we are making Middle Eastern chicken kebab. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
To make our kebabs, you will need to prepare skewers. Soak them in the water for about 1 hour so they don't burn while you bake. I'm using 3 big chicken breasts for my kebabs. It's around 2 pounds. Make sure you clean your chicken from excess fat before cutting it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell to get notified about new videos. Then cut it into large cubes, approximately 1.5 inch. Try to cut as even as possible, so your chicken kebabs will cook through evenly. Chop 5 cloves of garlic, I prefer to puree it, but you can just chop it fine. There is a little trick here. To puree your garlic fast and easy, add a pinch of salt and work it with your knife. To marinate your chicken kebab, you will need paprika, cumin, cinnamon, some fresh black pepper to taste, garlic, salt, lemon zest from 1 lemon, juice from half a lemon, and olive oil. Mix it all together and let it marinate for a couple hours. For the vegetables, I'm using 1 onion, cut it into large dice. Green and red bell peppers, approximately same size as onion. And add cherry tomatoes. Now let's prepare our chicken kebabs. You can put your vegetables on the skewers the way you like. 3 pieces of chicken cubes are perfect for the size of the skewers. Do not put everything too close to each other. Leave some space for better cooking. You can use this marinade not only for chicken, but any other meat, seafood, or just vegetables of your choice. I like to sear my chicken kebabs before putting in the oven to get some golden brown color. Sear it on a medium-high heat about 30 seconds on each side. Put your chicken kebabs on the tray and finish in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. The chicken kebab will come out juicy, light and tasty. Enjoy!